9. Good afternoon. I hope you people are doing good, and I hope you people are going. I hope you people are seeing my videos. So, in this video, I will be continuing with the poem that I was doing. That is, the name of the poem is Autumn by John Clare, and a few lines are left. Which I need to explain. So I'll be doing that today. So I did up to falls on the stubborn leaf. So let me just read that stanza again so that it becomes easier for you to find it out. The pigeons nestle round the court on dull November days like this. The cock upon the dunghill crowing, the mill sails on the heath a-going. The feather from the raven's breast falls on the stubborn leaf. So in this stanza, the poet is talking about different birds. Like the first, he sees the pigeon, which has made their home place inside the court. Then there is this cock who is sitting upon the dunghill crowing. Then the poet sees the mill that sails on the heath a-going. So let me write down the meaning of heath to you. Heath. Heath means what? It's a waste field. A waste field, field. So in that waste field, which is called a heath, so on that heath, the windmill is moving. With the help of whenever the wind is blowing, the sails of the mill is moving. And the feather from the raven's breast falls on the stubborn leaf. So raven is a kind of black bird. It is a black bird, a large bodied bird, you can see. Large bodied bird, and especially normally it is black in color. So the feathers are falling from the raven's breast. Breast means chest. So the feathers are falling from the raven's breast, and they are falling where? They are falling on the stubborn leaf. So let me write down the meaning of stubborn leaf for you. Stubborn means stubborn leaf. It means it is a field full of straws. straws. A field full of straws, where after the crop is cut and harvested. After the crop is cut, so that field is called a stubble leaf, and that field is full of straws after the crop is cut and harvested. So that field is called stubble leaf. So all the feather from the raven's chest are falling on this stubble leaf, on this field. The acorns near the old crow's nest fall pattering down the tree. The grunting pigs that wait for all scramble and hurry where they fall. So in the last 4 lines, we see that the pigs are coming. The pigs, they are stealing the show. How? Because in the very beginning, from the beginning of the poem, we see that there are birds, different kinds of birds, but at the end, the pigs are stealing the show. Stealing the show means they are at the spotlight. How? The acorns near the old crow's nest. Acorns, it's a type of fruit that falls from the oak tree. So acorn is a fruit from oak tree. So the acorn fruits are falling near the old crow's nest. So there is an old crow. There is a nest where an old crow lives, and the acorns are falling over there. The acorn fruits, they are falling near the old crow's nest, fall pattering down the tree. So this is again how the description of the falling of the fruits, that the acorns are falling down in a with a sound, and the sound is pattering. So the fruits, the acorn fruits, are falling down from the tree near the old crow's nest, and the grunting pigs. The grunting pigs means the pigs are very hungry and they are angry, and also they are groaning. They are lazy and they are sulking because they are hungry. So the grunting pigs, they are waiting eagerly when the acorn fruits will fall down from the tree, and they will hurry and they will scramble and they will pick it up and they will eat it. So let me write down the meanings for you. Acorns means acorns, it's a fruit from an oak tree. Especially oak tree you will see in northern side, in England and all those sides. So acorns are the fruits from an oak tree. Next, the meaning of scramble is moving quickly. Moving quickly. Next, what is the meaning that you need to know? That is fall pattering down the tree. Pattering. Pattering is the sound. It's a kind of sound made by the fruit when they were falling down on the ground. So these are the three meanings that you need to know from this stanza. So, oh, and the other one is grunting. So I hope you can see the board. Acorns, scramble and pattering. The last one is grunting pigs. Grunting, as I said, the hungry and angry pigs. So grunting pigs means the angry pigs who are groaning, they are very hungry, and so they are eagerly waiting for the acorns. Therefore, they are eagerly waiting for the acorn fruits to fall down on the ground, and after that they will hurry quickly and they will eat up those. So we can see that this whole poem is about the beauty of the nature. This whole poem is about trees, birds, then pigs, fruits, leaves, wind. So all these things, these are what? These are all natural things. And the poet John Clare, he is a master of writing poems on autumn season. He is a master of writing poems in describing the countryside, the beauty of the countryside. So throughout this poem, we see that he has described the beauty of the autumn wind, the beauty of the autumn season in the countryside, and it is also and one thing that he has also told us, that this autumn is characterized by falling leaves. Whenever autumn, the name autumn comes in our mind, we know that autumn means leaves fall down. So autumn is characterized by falling leaves. Dry old leaves fall down during the autumn season, and the new leaves come out as if it is the beginning of a new life, the beginning of new hope, and a beautiful beginning to a beautiful end rather. So I hope this poem Autumn, John Clare's poem Autumn, is clear with you people. So in the next video I'll be doing the figures of speech that are used in the poem. For example, let me tell you, the personification has been used in this poem. Then what else? Personification is there in the second stanza of the poem. Then we have the grunting pigs, the cock, and the pigs, they were scrambling and hurrying. So there are many other explanation that I need to give, which I will give in the second in my next video. So thank you students. As of now, I'll be putting an end to this video. So take care.